What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It has been a while since I've posted a video on here, and the reasons are I want to take some time. I had been experiencing losses and thinking that it was from my videos, and my brother said you need to get back on and start documenting it too. But it is time to celebrate because with focus comes receiving a payout. So I took my first payout, which is great. I think the game plan, which I've said in a few videos, is trying to get to over $2,000, and then anything else after that you take as profit. And so on this account, I took profit, and then today I came out of the grave, and am net positive again. So this is awesome. I'm really happy about that. I've made videos on how to pass combines in a few days. And so what I haven't done is be consistent with the expresses. And so now being able to take an express trade and receive a payout is pretty cool. It's pretty cool to say the least. I want to talk about today's trade, and this is an example how for me, I am trying not to trade my express account differently than my combines. I'm trying to be more patient, especially with the past couple of weeks. That's been way more challenging. It's actually taken about sometimes 30 to 45 minutes for the market to actually develop. But this is pretty much it. When I stopped making videos was, having these days here, starting my week off and starting off bad, but the levels have been on point. I've been way more disciplined, even with today, which I'm really annoyed about because it should have been a $300, $400 day. But I had to, I started off with taking longs, where I'll show you exactly where I try to take it from, and the move actually happened a little bit later. But once again, having to go against the grain, being down 160, and then making close to $300 to like net, positive was the goal. But this is now officially a live Express account. There is no drawdown. I given myself a little bit of cushion with the $2,000, which was the goal, and then anything else afterwards, right? It's fair game. I can take anything else over $2,000 out. All right. And then with my other Express account, which I have too, I've been trying to be a little bit too aggressive on this one because I am trading them differently. I'm not syncing them, which I don't recommend when we're starting new. But this one I am happy about, all right, which is great. So I want to talk about the trade today that I took and kind of what I'm seeing, right? And so I've done this before. I have different levels. Right now we are in a weekly level up. So those of you guys looking at my chart, bear with me. But this is how I kind of do mine. Okay. So I have a level down here that we have now bounced from. And if I scale down to the daily, you can kind of see how we're responding. If I go down to the 4 hour, you can see how we're responding. And then the hourly. Okay. So this morning in particular, right, this is what I saw when looking at this trade, right? And so this is how the morning started. And I have these arrows here because I tried to short the market early, and did not see the trend because I was on a bigger time frame. And so I should have panned down to a 5 minute and seen the trend, which I'll show you guys that in a little bit too. But ideally, when I first opened up this morning, I was thinking that this was my level right here to take a long from right here. All right. So what the market did, which once again, if I go back to Topstep, you can kind of see it a little bit cleaner, is on Topstep, this is kind of exactly what happened, right? So if we go here to the 5 minute, this is when the market opened, right? And you can see, I didn't see this trend actually as it was happening, right? Because I was on a 15-minute time frame. And so I was trying to go long this whole entire time. And so this is that first level I was telling you about that I have here, right? That I was trying to take a long off of. What ended up happening once I saw that we broke this one, right? Once I saw we broke this level, so let's actually go down to the 5 minute so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. So here we go. This is a 5 minute, right? There's your push up, push down, right? And we break it. And so from there, I kept trying to go long, right? Not realizing that this is my original level. And so what happened is when we let it play out, I tried to short before the market opened. So I shorted here. On this candle, we then pushed up, which took me out. So I took a little bit of drawdown today. And then once we broke this level right here, I should have just deleted this level that I had or continue to short there. So prime example, if I would have shorted here and let it play itself out, I would have made, a little bit of money. But long story short, we went down to the level that I had marked. And then this is kind of where I was able to kind of take a long back to the upside, right? And so that's basically the move that I was looking for. Sometimes when I have two different levels, I'm not sure which one is going to bounce from. And so what happened today was it bounced from the second level, which we can see on the hourly, which I have marked here. Okay, so that's the trade that I took today to get myself out of this hole. The levels are working, they're holding. You can see right now we're kind of back at that same exact level. And yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy right now to get back to doing videos, but get back to talking about the experience because I've gotten away from it. I've been busy on other things, on family, on businesses, on other opportunities. And so I'm spending small amounts of time with trading, right? And so I will, maybe not daily, but I will start posting more videos of what's working. But right now, I just want to acknowledge and celebrate the fact that I was able to take a payout, which is huge, right? This now, I want to see how long this is going to take actually, because I think that I wasn't expecting it to be 10 days. I'm hoping that it's sooner than that. I requested this 2 days ago and it hasn't hit my account yet. So hopefully it happens sooner than later. But that's pretty much it. This is a trade. These are the levels. When this first level got broken, this should have been my indication right here to, delete this one and wait for the second. But also too, if I would have taken this short here, which I wasn't patient at all today. I mean, that's about 155 points, right? So trying to be better at that is the goal going forward. Let me know if this video helps and if you guys have any questions about anything, but mark the levels. There's videos I've made on, trading combines and passing the combines and also how I do my top-down analysis. It's been a interesting journey to say the least of like just trying to be consistent and just trying to get to a place to where you can just take some type of profit. And so now that I hit that over the $2,000 mark, being able to take profit is great. It's a great feeling. And so now I'm motivated to stay above this $2,000 threshold, to not overdo it, to stick to ones if I can, build the account up, and then hopefully continue to keep taking profit. All right, see you guys in the next video.